In this video, I'm going to show you how to add references in Mendeley Desktop. So there's actually a few ways to do this. I'm going to show you all of them right now, step by step. Now, if you've opened up your Mendeley for the first time, this is what you're going to see. And when you sign in, you'll be able to start adding references into your library. So if you're using the desktop app, I'm going to show you all the ways how to do this. The first one and the easiest one is in case you have PDFs of your references you want to add. So I do have one PDF here, and then from there you have two options. You could either drag and drop it in here and it's going to get uploaded and then added in automatically, and if some things aren't correct, like some metadata, you can change it afterwards. So there we go. As you can see, it popped this in here. I can go and click on it and click on change, and I can go ahead and change whatever I want, or just hover over the fields and change it manually like this. So that's the first way to do it. But then the same way is going to be to click on add references, top left, and you can import file or multiple files like this. So you can just go and select them using your control key. So press down your control key on the keyboard and then just go and click on those you want to add and click on open. Alternatively, if you have all your PDFs in one folder, you can just basically click import folders, find the folder, and then it's going to find all the PDFs in there and add them in here as your references or sources, okay? That's kind of the first way to do this. Then the second one, you can go to add references and you can actually add a reference manually. So you can click on add manually. You can put in your own identifiers, reference type, titles, authors, journal, etc. You can put all of this in here and click on add entry. Whenever you do that, that specific reference is going to get added onto your list. And then we have a few more options. The next one is going to be my favorite one. If you go to tools, top left, you can click on search for articles online. This is going to open up this thing over here on mendeley.com, where you can basically search for articles. You can search in whatever you want. I'm going to type in sport. And as you can see here, there's like a bunch of different ones. And when you find the one you want to use, you can even click on it to see what it's about. And then you can click on add to library. And if there's a PDF available, you can view it as well by clicking over here. And when you click on add to library, that's automatically going to add it in here into your library in Mendeley Desktop, which is very convenient, okay? But then, of course, if you want to go on, but this is not really Mendeley Desktop, but of course, I'm assuming you're using a combination of Mendeley Desktop and, of course, your web browser. You could go to Tools up top and click on Install Mendeley Web Importer. And whenever you do this, you'll be able to basically install this thing over here, which is the Mendeley Web Importer. And then via this, you can go and add different sources from different sites. So if I, for example, go to Scholar like this, and if I go to Google Scholar and look for something, for example, YouTube like that, I'm going to click on something random, like, for example, researching YouTube or whatever, and I'm going to just click on it. And it's going to open up a random article over here, and you can click on Mendeley and it's going to automatically find it over here. You can just click on the check mark, add to Mendeley, and you're going to see it inside your Mendeley desktop, okay? So these are kind of all the ways to add references in Mendeley desktop. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.